pleasure. My pleasure. My pleasure. Everything is just fine.
Hey yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Corey back with another video, and today guys, in this video I'm gonna review two devices today. So the first one is the Apple Series 6 and the second one is the Ipod Ear 4. So anyways guys, later down in this video we're gonna discuss should you buy the Apple Series 6 or the Ipod Ear 4. So anyways guys, don't forget you can get 40% off on any item that you purchase in my merch store. The link will be in the description below, so make sure you guys go over there and purchase your merch before it runs out. The promo code will also be there in the description, so make sure you guys look down there and get every information that y'all need. So anyways guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. Can we hit some likes on this video? Just hit it, just do it, just smash it.
Smash.
So anyways guys, let's get into this video.
The Ipod Air Pro looks to bring even more pro level features and big screen to a lower pricer iPad. These updates appear to push the Ipod Air Apple's mid-range tablet pricer and a more fully and featured and regular iPad, but without all of the bells and whistles of the iPod Pro. The Ipod Ear 4 is rumored to sport a large 11-inch display with slimmer bezel, a faster chip based on the A14, and also support for a Magic Keyboard, but expect to buy more for these models versus previously Ipod Ear devices. Ipod Ear 4 release date and price. Apple product leaker Kimani says the Ipod Ear 4 is coming out March 2021, that's next year. On a site called My Drivers has backed up this claim, so you could not expect a new Ipod Ear this coming year. Or at least that would be the case. A new leak from Tech Tipster has a new iPod due to launch September 8. The site that is called My Drivers, it reports says that the Ipod Ear 4 will start at a price at $649, which will be a significant increase from the $499 of the current Ipod Ear. At least Apple is rumored to doubling the starting storage, going from 60GB to 120GB. Apple product leaker Kimani says to expect a A14X processor for the Ipod Ear 4, which would base on the iPhone 12. A A14 Big Knock chip is the processor, which is expected to be more powerful and especially more efficient than the A13, thanks to the 5AN manufacturing. The Ipod Ear 4 might get a lot of hands down from the 11-inch Pro Pad. Report reference from a China supplier who says the Ipod Ear 4 will feature a USB-C port instead of Lightning. The leak from Kimani backed up at the USB-C port rumor. It is also noted that the Ipod Ear 4 will get a Face ID, which makes sense if it's heavily based on the 11-inch Pro. Similarly, Kimani notes that the predictable features are coming to support the Ipod Pro Magic, while others claiming the new Ear will have a 10.8-inch screen. Kimani says to expect a 11-inch panel, which almost make a new Ipod Ear sound like the current 11-inch iPod Pro under a different name. The biggest difference would pertain to the Ipod Ear camera instead of the 3 sensors set up at the ear. Kimani claimed that the next Ipod Ear 4 won't have a regular camera on the rear, but wide-angle 12MP sensor instead. As for storage, expect a starting capacity of 120GB according to leak from My Drivers. Ipod Ear 4 design. The Ipod Ear 4 is tipped to get a full screen design. But don't expect just a short down iPod Pro. According to an iPod 4 manual leak, the tablet will have a closed full screen design but will not use Face ID for unlocking the device. Instead, you can expect a Touch ID sensor on the Ipod Ear 4 that's integrated into the power button, and the power button is apparently a bit longer than usually accommodate the sensor and to make it easier for users to log in. The Ipod Air Pro leak also revealed that Apple will be adopting a USB-C connector for this tablet, finally detaching light, plus there is a smart conductor on the board for attaching accessories like Magic Keyboard. Up front there is a selfie camera and there is a single camera on the rear of the iPod 4 and the iPod 4. A new render has also given us another design of what the Ipod Ear 4 would look like. Basically, it's very similar to the iPod Pro, which is not a bad thing. Ipod Ear 4 Outlook. All of the Ipod Ear 4 leaks point to a fairly important update to the tablet. All of these rumors hold up. The Ipod Ear 4 will primarily appeal to those who have found the regular iPod little stunnish, who find the iPod Pro a bit too pricey. With an 11-inch display, the iPod 4 might not be able to replace your laptop, but it looks like it will be a very powerful and versatile portable computer. But it looks like it will be a very powerful and versatile portable computer. So now let's review the Apple Watch Series 6. Apple Watch 6 will likely to be released on Tuesday, September 15, and leaks about what is new and the same for Apple's upcoming phones are heating up. We're confident that the Apple Watch 6 is on the way because of the next generation watch models have debuted every year since Apple's first smartwatches on the map in 2015. And now that the Watch OS 7 software has been unveiled, there's how to download the beta. We know some of the features planned for next year wearable computing. The Apple Watches gradually gain a new features such as cellular support, EG tracking, and a built-in compass, and they are always on the display. Just announced a time file event for Tuesday, September 15. It seems it could be an Apple Watch specific keynote starring the Series 6. The Apple Watch Series 5 is going out of stocks worldwide, which suggests that they are going to launch the Series 6 immediately next week, the 15th of September. A new Apple Watch has been announced on every September since the release of the first series and the second two models in 2016. The trend will continue in 2020 with the Apple 6 watch. The Series 5 currently starts at $399 for the GPS only model and $499 for the GPS plus cellular variation. Apple has employed this pricing structure for several years now, and so we don't expect it to change much for Apple Watch Series 6. What is less clear is what will happen to the lower end of Apple's Watch lineup. The Apple Watch Series 3 is currently sit at Apple budget options starting at $199 for GPS and $299 for cellular. It's possible that the Series 3 will get an event sleeper price will cut Apple's Series 6 replacing the Series 5 alternative. Apple could keep the Series 5 around at a low price, adding it to a list of best cheap smartwatches. It also could introduce all new budget models, the Apple Watch similar to the iPhone SE. Apple hasn't changed the appearance of the smartwatch since the Series 1 5 years ago. We don't expect a radical redesign for Apple Watch 6, but there could be a few base rumors and patient. A concept shows a design for an on-body optical sensor which would sit and flush with the watch. The case eliminate the need of purchasing physical button. While this change would take some getting used for a long time for Apple users, it could lead to a sleeker Apple Watch 6 and may even reduce the likelihood you'll perform accidentally input while putting clothes on or working out. There's no telling if this feature will arrive in time for Apple's Watch 6 or any Apple Watch at all, but it would be a significant change similar to Apple dropping on a home button in 2017 on the iPhone X. One of the most interesting Apple Watch 6 rumors is that the smartwatch display could switch from OLED to micro LED, according to a 2019 report, Economic Daily News. Apple plans to launch a micro LED based Apple Watch soon as 2020 could lead to a slimmer and more powerful, effective Apple Watch 6. However, more recent leaks says not so fast. The Watch 6 will need to use the JDI display screen. Apple Watch 6 specs and battery life. Better battery life. A new leak shows that at least one battery in the Apple 6 should be larger, coming in with a capacity of 303.8 amps. However, two other listed capacity of 265.9 amps and another with 262 and 9 amps would be smaller. Regardless, we expect improved battery life from the Apple Watch 6, whether it's through a new S6 chip or possibly user of a more effective micro LED display. Blood oxygen monitor, known as SpO2 monitoring, is coming to the Apple Watch 6. SpO2 measures the oxygen saturation level of your blood. If your blood oxygen drops below a certain concentration, which can be likely to happen during an exercise, the watch could then warn you to ease up before you injure yourself. The Apple Watch 6 will indeed come with blood oxygen monitoring capabilities, according to a new report dealing with the current stage of the next generation product. A new video has revealed news. Apple wants its next wearable to give better insight of your anxiety and emotion with nearly a live feedback. Leaker Max Welbridge, a YouTube channel, Everything Pro, explained that the company wants the Apple Watch to be better at spotting early signs of stress and panic. In a note to Mac Rumor in late 2019, Wearable, Apple analyst Michael Koo claimed that Apple Watch 6 will boost speeder performance due to additional improve in water resistance and better wireless capability. The latest Apple Watch models are water resistant at up to 50 meters, so it will be interesting to see how Apple could take the Watch 6 endurance further. Reading blood pressure often requires an external device such as compression cuff. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 already offer blood pressure tracking. Samsung Galaxy Watch has it too, approved as yet. If recognized early on, treatment can be prescribed before the condition causes even severe issues. The rumors are true. Watch 07 will bring a sleep tracking to Apple Watch at last. While there are several sleep tracking apps available for watching OS, including Sleep Watch and Auto Sleep Tracker, Apple doesn't monitor your zone time out of the box. I have tested Apple Watch sleeping tracking and it's worth exciting for. Integrated sleep tracking is a feature Apple Watch fans have requested for some time now. Watch OS 7 will introduce some new health fitness feature for the Apple Watch 6. Upcoming activity preset will include advanced functional strength, training core, and cool down. So anyways guys, earlier on in this video I said that we would decide on which devices we would rather to bought. Well, for me personally, I would bought personally for me, I would buy the Apple Watch Series 6 because it has so many features on it regarding to health and stuff like that. But I would choose the Apple Watch 6 because to me it has so many features about health and fitness, and you know, we as human, we should also watch our health and watch the things that we eat and doing our exercise and check our heart rate and stuff like that. So for me personally, I would buy the watch. For me personally, I would buy the Apple Watch Series 6 because it comes with so many features and it has a lot of battery life and so much high-tech performance. So for me, I would spend my money on the Apple Watch Series 6. Comment down below in the comment section and let me know which one you guys would purchase, either the iPod or the Apple Watch Series 6. Comment down below and let me know. Anyways guys, thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like this video. Also please share this video. Until the next review again guys, it's me, your boy Cortec. Peace out.